Did you know that sometimes the nicest neighbor can be your worst nightmare? Sarah thought she hit the jackpot when Mark moved next door. He was helpful, friendly, and always seemed to show up right when she needed something. But when Sarah spotted him at a coffee shop across town, her blood ran cold. He was sitting with her obsessive ex-boyfriend Jake, who she'd blocked and moved cities to escape. Every coincidental meeting, every helpful gesture, every personal question Mark asked suddenly made terrifying sense. He wasn't being neighborly, he was spying on her. Sarah discovered tracking devices on her car and photos of herself covering Mark's apartment walls. Jake had been using Mark's reports about her dating life and daily routine to show up wherever she went. The elaborate surveillance plan to win her back landed both men with restraining orders and serious legal consequences. Sarah had to move again, but this time she trusted her instincts about people who ask too many personal questions. Follow for more shocking stories and tell us, have you ever felt like someone was watching you?